Have you ever wondered what lies behind those construction barriers? Imagine watching a roof sitting on the ground in the morning, only to see it perfectly installed by evening. Or picture buildings constructed with blocks made from recycled plastic waste. What about robots that can tie rebar automatically, or stairs that make absolutely no sound when you walk on them? The construction world is undergoing a revolution that most people never get to witness. Today, we're breaking down those barriers to show you technologies that are completely transforming how we build our world. Revolutionary building methods. Let's start with something truly game-changing. The build and lift method, invented by New Zealand carpenter Neil Joseph, has transformed construction safety and efficiency. Rather than building walls first and then working dangerously at height to construct a roof, workers build the roof on the ground. Using specialized equipment, they can lift an entire roof covering up to 300 square meters in just one day, dramatically reducing the need for scaffolding, protective nets, and dangerous work at heights. This ingenious method prioritizes worker safety while significantly speeding up construction time. Speaking of speed, imagine constructing walls for a 94 square meter house in a single day. That's 68% faster than traditional bricklaying. Zeller's I-Tong autoclaved aerated concrete blocks make this possible. These remarkable blocks provide both structural support and thermal insulation in one product, with standard blocks strong enough to construct buildings up to 5 stories tall without requiring additional insulation. They're easy to cut, drill, and shape, offering excellent frost and fire resistance. As a bonus, they're considered an environmentally friendly, non-toxic construction material. Innovative construction materials. Traditional building methods continue to prove their worth alongside modern innovations. Rammed earth walls, a technique used for centuries by builders worldwide, created one of history's most impressive structures, the Forbidden City in China. These walls resist fire, provide excellent thermal properties, and actually become stronger over time. Perhaps most importantly in our climate-conscious era, rammed earth is incredibly eco-friendly. While waterproofing joints and surfaces requires extra effort, the benefits often outweigh these challenges. From ancient techniques to modern sustainability solutions, ByBlock has developed an ingenious answer to our planet's 52 million tons of annual plastic waste. They collect plastic waste, shred it, and fuse it into building blocks using a patented steam-based technology called bifusion. The resulting blocks weigh about 10 kilograms each, can be laid with or without mortar, don't crumble or crack, and are easily finished with plaster, tile, or siding. These colorful, eco-friendly blocks represent a perfect blend of environmental responsibility and practical construction solutions. Taking sustainability further, Sembler has created a Lego-like system for full-size structures. Just like the famous Danish toy, Sembler blocks easily connect and disconnect, making them reusable many times over. The developers focused on sustainability, with approximately 20% recycled materials in each block. Despite this eco-friendly composition, the blocks achieve an impressive compressive strength of 80 megapascals, strong enough to build residential structures up to 13 meters high. Advanced equipment and systems. On any construction site, specialized equipment makes the difference between efficient work and costly delays. The XJECM compact tower cranes exemplify this principle. These remotely operated cranes unfold themselves in just 10 minutes and can lift up to 3 tons to a height of 25 meters. They're ideal for construction teams working on challenging terrain, demolition crews, and emergency repair services. With intuitive controls eliminating the need for professional crane operators, these machines make heavy lifting accessible to more construction teams. When workers need to quickly secure concrete barriers, the Minix self-propelled barrier wall drill provides an elegant solution. This system drills holes in the first barrier blocks and then into the ground, allowing workers to simply insert steel pins. The operation requires just 2 workers, one controlling the system via remote to adjust the drilling angle as needed, while the other inserts the pins. For cleaner operations, a dust collector can be attached to achieve a maximum drilling depth of 91 centimeters. Safety remains paramount in construction, and the Safety Respect Flex platform revolutionizes roofing and facade work. Much faster and easier to install than traditional scaffolding. This system is especially valuable for buildings with unconventional shapes like circular structures. Once installed, workers can move across steel sheet walkways designed with 2 crucial safety features. If tools or fasteners are dropped, they won't fall through, and the combination of walkways with high guardrails creates a protective barrier reaching approximately shoulder height. Sound and comfort solutions. Innovative solutions aren't just about structural elements. They also address the comfort of those who will use the finished buildings. Schöck Tronsole exemplifies this approach with an insulation solution designed to eliminate impact noise from stairwells. Apartment residents no longer need to endure the sound of footsteps, bikes clattering down stairs, or other disturbances. This gives buildings equipped with Schöck Tronsole a competitive edge in the real estate market, as many buyers willingly pay extra for peace and quiet. The system resembles a special elastomer layer with installation points varying by version. Some placed between precast stair flights and landings, others between landings and walls. For flooring that combines comfort with durability, Sika ComfortFloor offers a poured solution that feels wonderful under bare feet. This unusual but appealing combination provides a soft, warm feel while remaining durable enough for high-traffic areas like school and hospital corridors. When properly installed, the floor resists scratches, maintains elasticity, and reduces footstep noise. Its seamless surface prevents dirt and bacteria accumulation, allowing furniture to be moved without worry while making cleaning easy and pleasant. Many customers particularly appreciate that the flooring emits no odor during installation. Environmental and site management. Construction sites are notoriously messy, generating dust, dirt, and debris that vehicle wheels spread to surrounding areas. FODS mats offer an elegant solution to this problem. Placed near site exits, these mats clean vehicle wheels of dirt, debris, stones, and other contaminants. A standard mat measures 2.1 by 3.7 meters with pyramid-shaped elements capable of withstanding up to 9 tons each and lasting approximately 10 years. As an added convenience, FODS mats can be cleaned with street sweeping machines. Environmental consciousness extends to water conservation with slurry tub containers. These specialized containers simplify the process of cleaning wheelbarrows used for carrying wet concrete. Instead of dumping dirty water into sewers or construction site pits, the water passes through a special biodegradable filter. This not only simplifies the cleaning process, but also allows water to be collected for treatment and reuse, a significant advantage in water-conscious regions. For perspective, if Australia used slurry tub on all construction and renovation projects, it could save an estimated 300 million litres of water annually. A basic slurry tub set, including 1 tub and 24 filters, costs approximately $250. Automation and future technologies. Labor shortages present growing challenges for the construction industry. In Japan alone, experts predict a shortage of 3.78 million workers within the next decade. Max Engineers addresses this challenge with their robotic rebar tying manipulator, a genuine game changer. This system ties rebar automatically, adjusts misaligned sections, generates optimal routes independently, and can work with other robots in swarm mode. As the first company to release a battery-powered rebar tying tool in 1993, Max continues to develop technologies that address both current and future construction needs. For facade technology, Staticus leads the way as one of Northern Europe's largest facade contractors. Beyond taking on complex installation projects, they conduct scientific research to advance facade technology. In collaboration with one of Europe's largest independent research institutes, Staticus has developed the Unified Facade System, which reduces carbon dioxide emissions during production by 30%. This impressive reduction comes partly from replacing aluminum posts and beams with glulam and laminated timber. To test new innovations, Staticus maintains a specialized facility evaluating wind resistance, impact durability, water permeability, and other key parameters. Specialized construction elements. Prefabrication continues to transform construction efficiency. Alfred Miller Contracting specializes in precast reinforced concrete piles, pile caps, and similar structural elements primarily used in bridge and highway construction. By focusing on in-house manufacturing, components arrive at construction sites fully prepared for installation, saving crews valuable time and effort. In some cases, just 3 workers can position the delivered elements. Alfred Miller Contracting also delivers exceptional precision, something difficult to achieve with on-site concrete pouring. For raising floors to new standards, Titanfloor offers solutions made from ADC 12 decast aluminum alloy. These elements are formed in a single casting process with a patented design that delivers exceptional strength. The high-end AL1500 model withstands loads up to 2,500 kilograms force per square meter. Developers recommend covering the top with various tile types, including those with encapsulated calcium sulfate for fire resistance and sound absorption. For spaces requiring special electrostatic conductivity, anti-static conductive PVC tiles are available. Waterproofing and specialized solutions. Complex roof junctions present particular challenges for waterproofing. Clober Wakaflex offers a highly flexible waterproofing tape that adapts perfectly to complex surfaces, making it essential for areas like bay windows, skylights, and chimneys. Made of an aluminum mesh embedded in polyisobutylene with adhesive strips along the edges, Wakaflex can stretch 15% in width and 50% in length. It works with nearly all roofing materials from ceramic tiles to corrugated metal sheets and requires no specialized tools, just scissors, a measuring tape, a roller, and skilled hands. For interior construction, Enthusiast develops mineral foams offering low thermal conductivity, lightweight, and fire resistance capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1200 degrees Celsius. These blocks can be secured with fasteners like screws or simply glued in place, adhering well to various surfaces from steel to glass. Standard thicknesses range from 20 to 80 millimeters, and their porous structure helps improve indoor air circulation. Maintaining cleanliness on construction sites presents unique challenges, especially with fine particulate matter that can pose health risks. Dustless Technologies addresses this with their specialized HEPA backpack vacuum. This innovative cleaning solution captures over 99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, smaller than a red blood cell. Unlike traditional bag vacuums that release some dust back into the air, this model's vacuum-sealed design ensures captured particles stay captured. The ergonomic backpack design allows workers to move freely, with a 15-meter power cord and 1.5-meter hose providing exceptional cleaning range. At $570, it represents a significant investment in both site cleanliness and worker health, proving equally valuable on construction sites and in educational facilities. The future of construction. The construction industry continues to evolve, balancing traditional methods with cutting-edge innovations. From safety systems that protect workers to sustainable materials addressing environmental concerns. From automation solutions countering labor shortages to comfort features enhancing final buildings. Construction technology has indeed reached new levels. These advancements don't just represent better ways to build, they reflect our changing priorities as a society. Safety, sustainability, efficiency, and comfort now drive innovation in an industry once known primarily for its resistance to change. As we face growing challenges from climate change, resource limitations, and shifting demographics, these technologies offer promising paths forward. If you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at construction innovations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly exploring the technologies shaping our built environment, and we'd love to have you join us on this journey. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which technology impressed you most? What would you like to see covered in our next video? Your input helps us bring you the content you want to see. Until next time, keep building toward a better future.